with Dani and Pat, obviously maintaining social distance. What we're going to go through with you today is a training session that is in a pyramid style, and then we've got a second block at the end of it. So I'm going to demo exercise, and I'm going to do 1 rep, then I'm going to stop. Pat will do the second repetition, then I'm going to do 2, and he will do 2, and so on. So the exercise is a sumo jump squat or a pop squat. And here we go. Are you ready? I start first, Pat.
I'm ready.
Let's go. 1, go. Now 2. 1, 2. And then 3. And 3. We move to 4. And we're going to keep going until you get to 10. We'll take a break from that one, but you guys can keep going at home. Working in reverse from 10 down to 1. Let's start with the exercise. You'll need a set of dumbbells. And you've got a dumbbell curl and a press. So we're going to do a curl, press, 1. To 10. 2. Good. And all the way up. 3. So we're just going to go to 10. That was 5, but you'll go to 10. Then Pat will have his turn, or your partner will have their turn. Taking it to 10, but Pat, you can do 5 for now. In descending order, we then move to the next number, which in this case will be 4, as you can get the pattern. We'll do 1 more, descending to show you. We're going to go for 3. 3. That's it. Perfect. That's the first part. We'll need to keep your dumbbells close, but you'll also need some space. Now, in this one, first person, which will be me, will continue a exercise sequence in the time frame that it takes partner B to do a 100-meter run. So mark yourself out 100 meters if you're outside. If you're in and you've got a small space, about 30 seconds of running should be round about the right time. So I'm going to start the mountain climber. Pat, you're going to go for your 100-meter run. I don't expect to see you back that quick. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
For a mountain climber, come to the floor, hands directly under your chest, and we start. You go for your run. So just keep running, mountain climbing, until your partner returns back. Roughly about 30 seconds, or sooner. They continue the mountain run while I go for my run.
Now it's my turn to talk while Dani's off. I'll just keep doing these mountain climbs till she comes back.
I'm a bit of a sprinter. All right, and the next one we're going to continue along is the same sequence, but it's a reverse lunge for me and a run for Pat. Okay? And you can hold dumbbells if you like, or you can do it with body weight. When you come back, Pat, you can grab a set of dumbbells and show them a reverse lunge with dumbbells, and I'm going to go for my run. That's pretty much 30 seconds. Okay, picking up a set of dumbbells, alternating rows, bend forward, shoulders back, elbows pull behind as you row continuously while the other person runs for that 100 meters. When they're ready, swap and go. Okay, next on the list is a chest press. Come to the floor to ceiling, press high. And swap and go. Whew. All right, the last one, on the floor again, leg tabletop extensions. You're going to hold your dumbbell overhead, knees to 90 degrees, and just extend, single leg, or if you're strong enough, you can do double leg. Okay? Swap and go. And that is our awesome partner training session.